Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating one master Notion page titled GCSE Dashboard with 8 subject subpages and 16 resource pages for notes and past papers. Use a template gallery and add 3 views: Table for quick lookup, Calendar for deadlines, and Kanban for revision progress. Add inline databases named Topics, Resources, and To-Do lists. Include consistent tags and one subject field to filter across pages, and build linked views for each subject automatically. Design a revision block system using 25-minute study sessions with 5-minute breaks and plan 4 sessions per cycle to form a 2-hour block. Create flashcards using toggles or a flashcard template inside a linked database configured for spaced repetition at 1, 3, 7, and 14-day intervals. Tag each card with topic, difficulty, and mock score so you can filter by weak areas and prioritize reviews. Then build a recovery plan that schedules extra sessions for topics under 60%. Record mock exam scores and set target grades for each subject. Then visualize progress using a progress bar that shows % complete toward each target and gaps to close. Schedule a 7-day rotating timetable that allocates 2 hours per subject weekly, and block weekly reviews every Sunday to assess achievement and adjust timetables. Store past papers, mark schemes, and examiner tips in a single database, and link each resource to relevant topic pages so practice is focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.